Okay, today's topic is about concept of proportion. So, key concept of proportion. So, word a proportion is an equation stating that two ratios or rates are equivalent. Examples: number 3, 8 is equal to 3/4. So 6 and 4 are called streams, and 3 and 8 are called means. So parts of proportion. So we have 3 is to 6 is equal to 1 is to 2. So the first term is 3, and the second term is 6, and the third term is 1, and the fourth term is 2. So 3 and 2 are the extremes, and 6 and 1 is the means. So what do you observe? So if we compute that, so let's have 2 is to 3 is equal to 8 is to 12. So 2 times 12 is equal to 3 times 8. So let's solve number 1. 2 is to 3 is equal to 8 is to 12. So let's have 2 times 12 is equal to 3 times 8. So that is 2 times 12 is 24, and 3 times 8 is 24. That is, so in a proportion, the products of extremes equals the product of the means. So let's have 4, 6 is equal to 16 and over 24. So use cross product to verify the proportion. So cross product 4 times 24 is equal to 6 times 16. So 6 times 16, that is 96, and this is 96. So tell whether the ratios form a proportion. So 2/3 is equal to 4, 6. So proportion or not? So yes, so this is proportion or equivalent or equal. So how do you answer the a problem? So let's have 2 is to 3, 4 is to 6. So 2 times 6 is equal to 4 times 3. So 12, and this is 12. It means proportion. Next, 4 is to 5 and 8 is to 9. So no. So anong no man? So let's have 4 is to 5 is equal to 8 and 9. So 4 times 9 and 8 times 5, that is 36. And this is 40, so not proportion. So they'll equal. Next is 12 over 15 is equal to 4 fifth. So proportion. So ganyan na ito pag-solve. So this is how we solve. 12 is to 15 is equal to 4 is to 5. So 12 times 5 is equal to 4 times 15. So that is 60, and this is 60. Proportion. Next, 4 is to 5 is equal to 9 is to 10. So no. Why is it no? 4 is to 5 is equal to 9 is to 10. And 4 times 10 is 40, and 9 times 5 is 45. So not proportion. So they're equal. So write a proportion, write a ratio to form a proportion. So let's solve by yourself. So 9 is to 6, 1/5, and 4 over 12. So what is proportion? So how to determine if the ratios form a proportion? So let's have a problem. So I can type 90 words in 4 minutes. About how many words would you expect her to type in 10 minutes? So words is 90, and minutes 4, so 90, and time is equal to n over 10 minutes. So let's have, so 90 is to 4 is equal to n is equal to 10. So this is how we get the answer. So 90 is equal is to 4 is equal to n is to 10. So 90 times 10 is equal to n times 4. So let's have 900 is equal to 4n. So divide both side by 4. So n is equal to 225. So therefore, so Sarah can type words in 10 minutes by 225 words. So natin answer nga 225. So another, in an election, Damon got the 3 votes for its 2 votes that Simon got. So Damon got 72 words. How many words did Shannon get? So this is the mathematical sentence. 3 is 3 and over 2 is equal to 72 over n. So we write that in ratio, 3 is to 2 is equal to 72 is to n. N is unknown, so this is how we get the answer. So 3 is to 2 is equal to 72 is to n. So let's have 3 times n and 72 times 2. So 3n is equal to 144. So our n is 48. So divide both sides by 3. So that is 144 divide 3 is 48. So cancel na tong 3. So our n is 48. So therefore, Damon got 72 votes. How many votes did Shannon get? So Shannon get 48 votes. So write a proportion. So in your notebook or paper, so try to solve that one class. So recipe that will make 3 pie calls for 7 cups of flour. So Sarah makes 12 pies using 20 cups of flour. So write the proportion for the pie recipe. So this is we guess about 9 different kinds of pastries for 324 at the same price. So how many months will she pay for different kinds of pastries? So in basketball, number 5, game can make 5 shots in 7 tries. At this rate, how many shots can we make in 14 tries? Boom! So assignment. So here are your assignments. So try to solve that in your one. So we hope that you have understand our lesson this for today. So try to comment down below and answer the problem here. So kung kasabot mo, so try to answer that one, this one, and this one, and comment down below sa inyong mga answer. And this is another one assignment. So if you know how to solve that, so comment down below.